Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Remember on this channel, I always bring my trade setup and my trade pay. So today is another documentary of my January trades in 2025, and today might likely be the last I'll be kind of letting out my secret trading strategy. The reason is that most persons watching this video might not be making full good use of it, and I think it's time to convert it to money. Not just making content about it. I think it's time to convert it to money so that when you see the strategy and you see the results, you too can believe that it works. So it's just a kind of uneasy because sometimes I see it as the more easier you analyze your chart and the more simpler you make your chart look, the more people outside might look at it as this person doesn't know how to do it, like just this thing. But simplicity is just trading. Trade doesn't need you to complicate simple things. So that's just what I want to convert. So probably towards the end of January and February, by God's grace, I will also get enough capital to do this. I would like to convert it to money. So you too will believe that what I'm teaching you is actually worth it and you should learn it too and make money off it. So I'm not just here to hide the updates. But if you think it's too hard for you to understand it, I think you have to message me on Telegram so that I can guide you like on one-on-one basis. But no, it comes with a fee. Just a little token, very, very affordable. So you too can pay. So on my chart today, I have a clean setup. I took one of these kind of setups at night yesterday, which helped me to make around 80 something dollar. We put the screenshots. So I closed the trade because market was about to close, and today the trade smashed the TP. And this morning again, I saw that same kind of setup. So that same kind of setup, I took the setup, but I saw it late. So I was looking at it from an angle of a supply area. But the moment market hit ISL and I was risking less, so it was a calculated risk. I have to message my Telegram community that the setup has failed. So for the market to fail that supply area, my 1 minute supply area means that 5 minutes demand is still dominating. So we have to go back to the 5 minute time frame and check where market picked from. And marking the two, I saw that market was heading in that direction. So that from where we cut the trade for our SL to the next direction was close to 100 pips, and we're able to get a new entry and leverage on that move to the TP level. So join me on the chart. Let me break down how we're able to get this trade from both the 5 minutes and then the 1 minute time frame that went 1:8 risk reward. Mad. And it's still even going in the direction up to almost 1:9 at least. So just join me in the chat. Let's do this. So guys, today on my chart on XAUSD, you remember this trade from the last episode. So this is today on XAUSD, and this is my 15 minutes time frame. Time frame I normally like to use to see clearly what XAUSD is doing per day. So today you can see that market rejected pretty from the day low and pushing towards the high. So as at then, market was still somewhere here. So I was looking at this area as my supply area. So here I was looking at this area as my supply. If I go to a 1 minute time frame, you see why. So looking at it as a supply area and the market taking out the liquidity at this top with this strong candle and this week, then you should know that any retest around here should signify a bullish movement. So since this 15 minute time frame that is starting at the high time frame, can then go to a 5 minute time frame to look out what really is happening in the market. So if I should extend my chart, you will see that right here, market broke structure around here, right? Because this was the move. Market from here went down, then from here it broke this previous side. And you see that. So breaking the previous side, we should look for liquidity around this area for market to tap in and then push up for a buy. And then remember that I gave a kind of an overall analysis from my previous chart that price is heading towards this direction. Price is heading to 2707. So anything you're doing, you should at least have that pretty bias that market is still in a bullish trend and it hasn't met completely the target due to the chart pattern I posted on my Telegram channel. So if you're not there, make sure you use the link and join the Telegram channel so you get an update actually on XAUSD. So no feeling the market is getting there, but I thought that market wants to like maybe make a double bottom here before pushing up, so to completely grab liquidity around this area. But since market didn't do that and then it violated this supply area around here on the 1 minute time frame, you then have to like take the loss and flip my bias for a buy. So here was how I was able to mark out a kind of a supply area around that zone. So just connecting my lines like this. This was like a triangle, a symmetric triangle. So this was, I took this as a low. The market broke with this particular candlestick. A market broke the low and it's making a test toward this area. So I was marking out my area around here to take a sell. So market printing good bullish candle around there. First market invalidated this pretty small supply. I was looking at this area. and also invalidated this one. So I know that we shouldn't be looking out for a sell. A sell was a wrong bias on the market, so we should go for a buy. So that was where I started looking at a buy. Previously, I wanted to take a buy. I think the market will just push up, but market was consolidating, so I knew that I still have to be patient and allow the market to maybe just do something nice and give me a clear confirmation that it's going to buy. So waiting for that buy to happen, I have to stay on my lower time frame. So from my lower time frame, which is then the 1 minute time frame, you can see that market broke my day high and also a kind of day. This was the most recent high after the previous breakout structure. So this was the most recent high. You can see that here, market broke the high. Can you see that? So market broke the high there. So for market to break that high after clearing all the liquidity around this my minor supply area, so it was evident that market should just keep buying. And for me to take the buy trade, I have to bring my fib again. Can you see that? I have to bring my fib and mark the most recent low, which was somewhere around here. Somewhere around here, yeah. Then mark it to this area. So marking my fib from that day high, from the most recent swing low to my swing high. Can you see that? Then I waited for market to make a retest into my 0.79 area. So a retest into the 0.79 area should signify a buy. And if you can see, market tapped into the area, right? Not just tapping into the area, market tapped into the area and gave us a clear W pattern. Everyone can see that. So a clear M pattern, and here it should be the neckline. Here should be the neckline. So if you didn't take the normal entry from your 0.79 holding here as your SL, then probably you should take this trade this way. You see that you take this trade from here, right? Targeting this high around here, which is our TP2, here TP1, which is a clean 1:4, or you go for a conservative SL, which will then give you a clear 1:6 risk reward. So if you didn't take the trade that way, then you should take it from this N after the W pattern, while your SL must be below that candlestick that broke above. And you can use the EMA for more confluences. And if you notice, the EMA crossed completely above that candlestick. You can see that a clear N pattern crossed above the EMA 8. And even if I should turn on my RSI, you can see that RSI also give us a clean bullish divergence, which is, let me clear this one first. So RSI now, let me just turn on so the chart will still beneath. So RSI right here, you can see that here was giving us a kind of an equal double bottom, and RSI was giving us a clean continuation divergence. Can you see that? So all these things are confluences aligning, and this is what makes up my A++ setup. So anytime I see things like this, I know that if I want to flip, this is the right moment. If I want to take a high risk trade, this is the right moment to do that. So I take my first entry here and set pending orders here to trigger once the market starts moving. So you can see that market gave us a clean trade around here. So you can see that our TP was maxed around here, but since market was heading to 207, it was just very close. So you can just Kukuma target that same area, giving you a clean 1:7 risk reward from your conservative entry. And you can see that there was no drawdown. There was no drawdown at all. So you were entering and the market was pushing up. So this kind of trade is where we kind of use lot size that is even bigger than our accounts, and it still plays out fine. So right here, market has already started pushing up again. And okay, let me just delete the alert. So market has already started pushing up again, and I have to also mark out my low, like expecting price for any possible retracement into this area. I'm taking a buy trade. A cool 1:4. But if market should drop lower, then a cool 1:4.70, which is almost 1:5, targeting this area. So if markets can clean this area, I don't know, near session might dump the market or might pump it further, but here I'm done for the day, and probably I'm done with my profit targets for the day. So this is a kind of a chart breakdown of how I do find my trades, and here's also my auxiliary chart. You can see that that's already done everything it needed to do, and it's already making a good, like, market just today was just so good and it favored the buy. So that was just the trade breakdown for the day, and hopefully from my upcoming videos I'll try to get money and try to replicate this thing on the account and also make withdrawals from it. So see you on our next video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more good content like this. And if you're interested in subscribing to my mentorship, whereby I will be giving you all my insights, all my trade breakdown at night, earlier before the morning, and just allow me to be your mentor, allow me to teach you how to do this chatting work. Like, I can teach that very well. So make sure you subscribe to my mentorship class, and it just comes with a little fee as low as $35.50. So let the results speak. See you on our next video. Subscribe. Bye bye.